If you are looking for a way to filter the air at your home or workplace, you are in the right place. Below, we have detailed the finest dust collectors of 2022. We have also provided a handy buying guide to ease your choice. Number 1, WEN 3401660 CFM Dust Collector. We have a dust collector from WEN. WEN is a lesser-known brand that produces many affordable products like this dust collector. We have selected WEN 3401 as our second nomination for the best dust collector. Now, you can keep your garage clean with this 12-gallon dust collector. It houses a 5.7 amp motor that can allow it to absorb 660 cubic feet of air under a minute. The impeller size on this one is 6 inches, and the dust inlet ports are 4 inches wide. It also has a 1 3/4 inches caster lock that prevents unexpected operation. As WEN is known for their reliability, they are providing 2 years of warranty on WEN 3401 dust collector. It is a very lightweight dust collector as it weighs only 18.6 lbs, therefore, this can be the best option for you if you are looking for a transportable dust collector. You can also mount this machine on a wall with the help of a built-in wall mounting option. This way, you can keep your workspace free. It even comes with a carry handle. You can also mount this unit to the wall if you'd like, which eliminates the need for storage. Pros: wall mounting option available, affordable price tag, 12-gallon capacity, 2 years of warranty. Cons: airflow capacity is low. Number 2, Shop Fox W1666 2 HP 1550 CFM Dust Collector. The Shop Fox W1666 dust collector isn't the best choice for a small workshop because it weighs about 107 pounds, it's difficult to move around, and it takes up about 5 square feet of floor space. However, for medium to large size workshops, this powerful 2 HP bag dust collector is a great addition that comes with 2 4-inch hose outlets that can be used at the same time. It's an impressive product with a 2.5 micron filter efficiency and 1550 CFM air suction power that quickly pulls in dust and debris for storage in the 5.4 cubic foot dust collection bag. Unfortunately, all of this power and dust collection potential comes at a higher price than a smaller product, so it's important to figure out if this amount of air suction power is necessary before deciding on this bag dust collector. The overall weight of this machine is 108 pounds, which is moderate in the case of dust collectors. The warranty period on W1685 is 2 years, which is quite decent. Pros: high 2 HP power output, powerful air suction, large 5 cubic foot dust collection capacity, 2 years of warranty. Cons: high price. Number 3, Shop Fox W1727 1 HP dust collector. This bag dust collector from Shop Fox helps to keep users safe with a built-in safety switch that must be operated with a removable key. The 1 HP motor provides enough power to generate up to 800 CFM of air suction power, making it easy to keep the work area clean while sanding, grinding, or cutting. When the dust and debris are pulled into the dust collector, pieces of wood or metal that are larger than 2.5 microns are trapped in the filter and dropped into the 2.1 cubic foot dust collection bag. The combination of high air suction power, good air filter efficiency, and voluminous dust collection capacity are primary contributors to the success of this product. It even has built-in handles and wheels to improve the portability and offset the 59-pound weight. However, the 4-inch hose outlets need to be adapted to a 2.5-inch hose for use with smaller tools. The only downside with this model is that you have to adapt the 4-inch hose outlets to a 2.5-inch hose when using it with smaller tools. Pros: built-in safety switch, high air suction power, handle and wheels for portability, long 20-foot hose. Cons: must be adapted to a 2.5-inch hose for small tools. Number 4, Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector. This Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector delivers stunning quality and professional performance in a durable package. Unlike many dust collectors on the market, this product provides a chip separation to prevent filter clogs. This is paired with the collector bag's efficiency to ease the cleaning process. Its high air velocity follows all the competitive specifications, and the industrial controls ensure prolonged use. The collection bags have a snap ring that allows fast installation and removal. When evaluating the design, you will find that the design of this dust collector fulfills all requirements and yet has unique functional properties. It contains permanently lubricated and enclosed fan-cooled motors constantly running. The single-stage design allows for quiet and economical operation of the machine. The portability of this dust collector is guaranteed to last, as it includes 4 casters for easy maneuvering. Its industrial controls allow trouble-free use. allowing the manufacturer to provide a 5-year warranty for consumers. Pros: for casters for portability, comes with a 5-year warranty. Cons: filter requires frequent cleaning. Number 5. Riken 1 HP Portable Dust Collector. Riken is a reliable brand providing a wide range of power tools at an affordable price range. Their dust collector has a small and convenient size which makes it suitable for small shops. In addition to that, compact size provides the versatility to install this unit anywhere you want without any issues. It has the ability to collect up to 2.1 cubic meters of debris, so you don't have to stop frequently to discard the waste collected. As it comes with wheels, you can easily transport it from one place to another without any additional help. It can filter dust particles up to 2 microns. This product comes with a 5-year warranty duration. Moreover, it is compatible with 4-inch dust collection ports. This compatibility allows you to use the unit with your favorite woodworking tools. Also noteworthy are the bladed steel impellers that deliver up to 650 CFM. Best features: suitable for small shops, quiet operation, compatible with 4-inch dust ports, 9 bladed steel impellers, 5-year warranty.